My name is Sandra Cooney and I am the Vice Chairperson of the Carrigree Park Sylvan Hill Community Association. Our organisation does quite a lot of things. Mostly at the minute it's all youth-based or child-based. We deal with the Fermanagh District Council a lot, the Housing Executive, NICFA, Up for Arts. We're very into them now. We have just completed a session with them where we had our Up for Arts Open Day, and we have just completed our multi-sports arena and community base, which we won the People's Millions 80,000 for. Funding would have been our biggest difficulty, getting our volunteers to help out. Also getting people to participate, actually know where we are and what we do had been a big problem because up to now nobody even knew we existed. CLP helped us a great deal when we were having our open day, because when Bryony came to us we were organising it and we were getting nowhere. But with her help we were able to do a structure of the day, what we needed, and also designate people to precise jobs, which helped. All the community came together and it went off with a brilliant success. Because we're fairly new in our new base and that, we need to get brochures out to tell people where we are, what we're doing. We need signage, we badly need a logo. Because people ask you who you are, it's an awful mouthful to say and they're going, hey? And noted head paper, so we look more efficient and we can go on ahead and look for funding, and they think, well, they look quite good, yeah, maybe they have a chance. At the minute we have 2 mobiles that were donated to us that we've done up ourselves, all volunteers. I would like to see a permanent base going there with more equipment, more help, and a lot more courses and activities for young, old, everybody in the parks. We have a lot to offer. It's not only given, it's what you get back in it. It's a great sense of achievement, and you can actually see at the end of it that you have achieved something. If there's anybody that can help us or may know of a good logo for us, just to get in touch with us, and we'd be very glad to have a look and we'll get back to them as soon as we could.